Hello everybody, welcome to the Medyo Serious Talk Show with me, Red Oliero. Our guest for today, official MMFF spokesperson. Kakatanong ko lang ng title niya. Noel Ferrer, everybody.
Thank
Studio
you.
audience appreciation naman.
Salamat,
Yan.
Red. At yun, sabi ko, gagawin ko to dahil sa'yo at pareho na tayong may lieg ngayon.
Siyempre, yung unang kamustahan natin, it's more like, anong diet mo?
Oo ba? Pero yun, para at least healthy ngayon at
Yes.
napapunta na ng Pasko. And when we talk about Christmas, it's a Metro Manila Film Fest.
Yes.
It's one of the traditions na kailangan balik-balikan.
Talagang ano siya, no? It's more than just a Christmas event. Tama ka. It's a
Yeah.
tradition.
Yes.
And I feel like parang even me na
Pagkabata.
pero after pandemic, non-moviegoer na ako.
That's true.
Parang pero pag MMFF, you gotta watch at least
That's
one or
true.
two, di ba? Parang
No, the good
ganun
thing
yung
is that
feeling.
we're on our 50th edition this year.
Oh,
So,
wow.
it's pretty much parang magnified by everyone. And after last year's box office draw, na sinurpass yung mga yung record.
Amazing.
Na hindi tayo nakapaniwala. Kasi tayo mismo parang, uy, bumalik yung mga tao sa sinehan. So,
Oo.
parang this one,
That's crazy.
parang sabi, uy, meron pa rin namang tao sa teatro. Kasi, well, kala ng mga tao na after the pandemic, nag-streaming na yung
Yes.
Filipino audience.
Oo.
Pero siguro once a year, at least,
Oo.
yung pinamaskuhan ng mga tao nandun. Or sabi mo nga tradisyon, kasi since pagkabata natin, may parada ng certain time, may built-in promotions sa consciousness ng mga tao nandyan.
Oo.
And then I guess, yun nga, yung may bawat member ng pamilya, kay kasambahay mo, kay nanay,
Meron, yeah.
tatay, bata, parang may pelikulang nagkikater sa Metro Manila.
I have so many fond memories watching
Like
with
what?
my family.
Go,
Yeah.
go,
Ang
go. Like
dami.
what
Like,
films?
oh my God, my favorite siguro, Babae Septic Tank 2.
Correct, correct.
Because I was comedian.
That's
So
true.
like, iniisip ko parang, I haven't seen a movie that
Like
would make me
that.
belly laugh. Then talagang, kasi yung quality of laughter, iba eh. Minsan
Alam mo,
yung
kinikilabutan
shallow
ako dyan
lang.
kasi that
Oo.
was the time, may experimental na year.
That was it, yeah, oo nga,
Kasi
yeah.
yan yung babae sa septic tank ko sa Cinemalaya
Oo.
entry. So
Yeah.
parang, hindi yan.
Mm.
Pero dito, pinicture siya. Tapos ngayon, maganda si Chris Martinez nga sinabi, the pinaka-successful Cinemalaya entry pa rin was Babae sa Septic Tank 2. Kasi
Grabe yun.
yun, nung pinalabas, nag-36 million, at least sa Metro Manila, bigger market, at least that.
I was crying in the cinema. Ganun siya ka-ano. And I think,
Galing.
parang dun din bumalik. Because we all watch movies.
That's true.
Parang sa time na yun, I was a stage performer mostly, stand-up comedy,
Galing,
puro bar, ganyan. So naisip ko parang, you know what, someday I'll do a comedy movie din siguro sometime.
That's parang ganun.
Oo, yun. So, never nawala na sa radar ko to consider like casting opportunities, mga ganong klase.
Galing.
Because of that film. Yeah.
Tapos doon, kasabay pa niya, yung best picture during that year, was Sunday Beauty Queen.
Which was a
Which
documentary.
is a documentary
that made
na
me
sabi
cry.
ko, ay, ang galing.
Yeah,
Na
grabe.
pwedeng pumasok ang isang documentary sa Metro Manila.
Yeah,
So, nagbabago yung ano. So, okay.
Sobrang
yun.
wild. And then last year we had, hindi naman pwedeng hindi i-mention yung Rewind.
Yeah.
So you're coming off like the success of all successes.
Yun nga, ito na.
Walang pressure?
Parang more than 1 billion na kinita ng
Oh my God.
ng Metro Manila Film Fest hinge on the kita of Rewind.
Rewind, yeah.
Na hindi natin alam, hindi natin akalain, di ba? Na,
Yeah.
na a lot of people are saying, pwede mapya yan from another
From,
film.
if
Pero
only.
I
Yeah.
guess,
Oo.
parang yun ang naging national catharsis.
Yeah.
Mga tao na tipong, sabi nga natin, after the pandemic, we never had a chance na mag-retreat as a nation.
Yeah.
At yung retreat natin yan nangyari dun sa Rewind.
It went back to, parang what is the genre we really love. Yun talagang ganun eh.
Dati
Bumalik
kasi
dun
comedy, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos biglang, ay, oo nga, oh.
May ano pa siya, may parang
Kurot.
may kurot. Yeah,
Kulot
yun,
sa puso. Oo, eh.
yun
And then,
talaga eh.
you saw yung effect ng Metro Manila Film Fest na yun kasi who has the most number of endorsements after
Exactly.
for the year?
Sobra.
Ding Dong and Marian
Oo.
ripped in because you have that following.
While all of this success was happening, parang we were, I think, promoting na for our movie, yung I Am Not Big Bird.
I have to say, ha,
And,
that tried to be
That
part
tried.
of the Metro Manila Film Fest. Na on hindsight.
Nung sinasabi nilang baka mag-MMFF tayo, sabi ko, uy, pwede bang maki-design ng float? Iniisip ko
Pero
na.
totoo yun. Totoo yan. Parang hindi buo yung artista career mo hanggang
Yeah.
hindi ka nakasakay
Wala
dun sa
pa
float
ako.
na yun, di ba?
Oo, wala
Yun na
pa.
yun. So this year it will be on the 21st. Pero yun parang dapat nakasakay ka sa float kompleto. Pero balik tayo dun sa I'm Not Big Bird. Sa tingin mo, bakit hindi?
I don't know. I think they really tried for it.
Oh, yeah.
So, I was excited.
Yeah.
Pero at the same time, sa utak ko parang, baka pang streaming lang tayo. Kasi,
ano mahirap, no? Pero
kasi
ang ganda nga
R18,
ng-
R16
yun nga, ang ganda
pala,
nga
sorry.
ng thought mo na tipong, kasi we want to cater to a bigger crowd,
Yes,
no? Tapos pag nag-R18 ka,
Oo.
parang limited, wala ka ng SM agad.
Wala SM,
diba? Wala
yeah.
ka ng SM agad. Pero, you said, nag-work yung comedy nyo kung tinodo nilang gano'n.
I would say, kasi from my
Yeah.
experience,
Yeah.
like, if I do comedy, a lot of people ask, pwede magdala ng bata. Sabi ko,
That's true.
at your own risk. Sabi ko, if you bring, he will learn a lot. Diba ganon?
That's
And we
true.
talk about very much adult themes. And
That's
these
true.
are like, and we're packing like people, 300 seaters, 1,500 seaters. Kaya. So I was thinking na parang, pag tinranslate yung comedy into silver screen that way, na magkaka-come into fruition. Pero I don't know.
Pero
There's a
sabi
lot
nga
of things.
natin, no,
Yeah.
yung pagbaba o pagtaas ng mga kita natin sa pelikula, may natututunan tayo. What
yeah.
is the learning there?
Oh, wow. Man. Ako, unang-una, I think, ako yung in-interview bigla.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang.
Pero ang pinaka-learning ko doon was, tumaas yung respeto ko sa lahat ng people working on film. Because they're so
Totoo yun.
passionate with what they work. And then also the stars, like si Enrique,
Who put in money
Yeah.
to produce that film? No?
Enrique Hill, Nico Natividad, may castmate, si Pepe Herrera.
Mhm.
Inisip ko parang, mga star tong mga to, ganyan.
That's
Inisip ko parang, baka maarte tong mga to. Hindi sila maarte at all. Ako yung
Hindi.
pinaka-maarte sa set. Kasi pinatakbo nila ako na isang araw, pagod na ako. So ako parang nagjo-joke na, ayoko na mag-cinema.
Pero
Gumagano na ako.
in-enjoy mo rin.
Nag-enjoy.
In-enjoy
Tapos
mo rin.
that same day, nung pagod na ako, si Nico, napatid siya, and then he fell into like a bunch of cacti. As in talagang cactuses na sobrang...
God.
So, puro tinik siya. Tapos sabi,
Okay.
sige, take natin kasi nakawalan tayo araw. Take natin. So, parang, mukha akong diva kasi ako na reklamo. Tapos siya, game lang siya. Tinatanggal niya yung tinik mag-isa.
And
Go
now
na.
we know why you don't have another film.
May mga nag-inquire naman after sa kapar. Teka lang, kalma muna tayo sa Big Bird. Kasi pagod ako na solid eh.
Pero yun, yung isang learning, parang hahanap-hanapin talaga hanapan ng tamang platform kung
Yeah.
saan yung pelikula.
That's
So,
one good.
ang maganda, sabi mo nga, nakakakamangha yung mga tao sa pelikula na yung generosity sa pag-share ng talent, na
It's
hindi
crazy.
nila alam ano yung balet.
That's what
Balet. Talaga,
yun yung sinasabi ko.
grabe.
Kasi I would say, easy eh. Kunwari, ito yung expenses ko, these are the tickets I'm expecting to sell.
Correct,
It's just 2
correct.
columns.
Correct.
And these are things na yung intangible nila goes day by day. Day 8 umulan, nawalan tayo ng ano. Andito na
Totoo
lahat,
yun,
mag-shoot na tayo,
totoo
umulan
yun,
sa gitna ng
totoo
ano.
yun.
Wala tayong budget to reshoot this. Yung adjustment ng ganyan, yung willingness ng mga tao to just overtime or parang...
Gagawin
Oh, wild. It's
And
wild.
ang nakakamangha din, parang now the stars would have parang a stake in what they do.
Yeah.
Di ba? Parang kung gusto mo magandang pelikula, or gusto mong gumawa ng passion project mo, tumaya ka.
Yeah.
Parang si Enrique Hill.
Oh, grabe.
And now, ding dong
Yeah.
sa Rewind, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang tumaya din siya para
Oo.
gawin yung material na yun. So, I
Really
think
played off,
kasama na
no?
talaga sa creation process yung mga artista mismo.
And I don't think they're getting their flowers enough. Kasi
That's true.
there are people that they would see something, kunwari, people put their money in there, naging successful, and they would all just see it in hindsight. Syempre, i-investan mo yun, kikita ka na yung 100 million eh.
Yes.
They don't know that.
Totoo yun.
It was such a
Sugal.
risk. Di ba? Yeah, sugal siya.
Sugal talaga. Magaling sinabi, no? I saw your
Yeah.
episode with Direct Joey na ang dami nang nawala, ang nagbago sa cinema, no? Na dati nga yung return audience wala.
Ayun nga
dati,
eh.
di ba, yung-
Oh.
Pero ngayon, tuloy pa rin ng tuloy yung mga tao sa pagpuproduce.
Yeah.
At parang ibig sabihin,
Even more pa nga eh.
pampalaki pa rin. Iba
Yeah.
pa rin yung pinapanood ka sa TV na hindi nagsuspend yung mga audience mo.
Mm-mm.
Samantalang pinapanood ka sa pelikula sa big screen at nagbabayad yung mga tao.
Iba, does it affect, you think, MMFF sales that way? Because before, I remember, I watched Septic Tank at least Twice, naalala
Twice,
ko.
with different dates.
Oo, iba-ibang
Oo,
tao, di
ito
ba?
ang horror film, di ba?
Yeah.
Pag magpupunta ka doon, tapos iba-iba yung
Barkada.
kasama mo.
Oo,
parang
hindi pwedeng
takutin.
hindi mo kasama yung barkada
Totoo,
mo, di
totoo.
ba?
Siguro
Ganun.
yun yung nag-work sa Rewind. No?
Yeah.
Parang retreat siya ng iba't ibang mga taong gusto mong isama doon sa ganung experience. Dito siguro yung streaming kasi becomes a second viewing.
Yun yung,
Di ba?
yun yung hassle. Or, yun yung masaklap. I spoke to you
Yeah.
kanina, di ba, na parang, I would see like, internet discussions in social
That's
media
true.
or Reddit,
That's
and
true.
they would do this question na, sulit bang bumili ng ticket
Totoo.
or hintayin to streaming? And I'm like, wow, that
Totoo.
2 lines of that, that's
Totoo.
death sentence for a lot of people
Totoo.
na kagad, di ba?
Tapos dati, first day, expected mo na, Vic Soto, Vice Ganda yung...
Yeah.
talaga
Siyempre
yung,
una.
yung grabe. Pero ngayon, talagang yung mga tao, parang, ay, hindi basta-basta, pambata, kumikita. Kasi parang ngayon, tinatanong tuloy, sino nagde-decide talaga kung anong papanoorin?
Oo.
Kasi hinihintay nila kasi ang mahal.
Oof.
Medyo mahal naman na
Yeah.
yung cinema ticket. No? So parang, sino muna yung maganda at pwede yung mga tao manood. So,
Sinusulit, di
yun
ba?
nga. So, when Vice Ganda ranked second to Nadine Lustres Deleter, wake up call doon. Nandito pa mga tao,
They
hindi
want-
na basta kahit na anong comedy. So, now Vice Ganda for the 50th edition of the Film Fest teamed up with June Lana
Wow.
to do a really good film yung and the breadwinner is. So,
Oh.
parang her doing a lot of odd jobs. Tapos para itaguyod yung pamilya. So parang ako nagbabago rin. And yun, now I told you about Bossing.
Yeah.
Vic Soto pairing with Piola Pascual. Pero ang walang comedy. So madadrama silang pangbata. So parang okay nag-work.
I think it's refreshing. I think it's a good way to
Totoo.
to also mark the 50th na parang
Iba.
tipong it's kind of a statement to say na we're evolving, di ba?
That's true. That's true. At saka ngayon, sabi ko nga sa'yo, when we're out of formats, or wala na yung mga franchise natin,
Yeah.
Iting Kabisote,
Ah,
or
Mano po.
Private Jet, yung Benjamin Mano po,
Ah.
etc. Parang mas open yung field into more creative experimentation. So yun, nag-work.
Is it benefiting from new audiences or not new audiences, parang a
Tama ka
new
naman
way of
doon.
watching, parang ganong klase, no?
New way of watching or new way of telling your stories.
Yeah.
I guess parang yung mga tao kasi tumaas na rin yung standard pag nanood ka ng Netflix, di ba? So hindi lang pwedeng patakbuhin yung pwede mong panoorin ng
Mismo.
mabilisan.
Oo.
Parang hindi mo na paghihintayin sa isang pelikula sa sinehan. So
Tsaka yung quality that our next door neighbors are churning out, like yung Thailand, yung
That's
Korea. So para nakita ng mga tao na, if they can do it, dapat we can din, no? Parang
at saka
ganon.
ito, parang hindi naman totally kasi parang people will always go to something or someone so familiar, no? Pero hindi na rin ticket yung may named star or A-lister ka, no? Kasi,
Ang
you
hirap,
see, Ate V, Sharon,
Yeah.
joined last year's Film Fest, but
Yeah.
the ones who made money or like talaga they made money, but yung pinaka nag-number one was Ding Dong Marin. So
Yeah.
it was really the material first.
Yeah.
So, hindi lang sapat. Siguro, nakakatulong na
Nakatulong
kilala
definitely. Oo
yung,
naman, yeah.
kilala yung artista, pero iba rin talaga kung tama yung project.
Yeah.
Or yung parang gano'n, yung magkoconnect din sa mga tao.
I think may word of mouth factor din, no? It's
Correct.
very essential na
Correct.
the first salvo of people who watch are very appreciative of the.
Totoo.
It's such on thin ice. Movie industry is such a,
Totoo.
sabi ko, movie industry is such on thin ice. Like, the opening day, if people don't hear enough from it,
Wala.
Tapos na. Alam mo?
Parang ikaw din, no? Pag hindi mo na sa social media, wala rin.
wala
no?
na, grabe.
Oo rin. Pero ito yung tanong pa ng mga tao, bakit yung mga 8,000, 7,000 worth of tickets sa concerts at theater, pinapasak, pero ang pelikula na 500, how much is it?
Yeah.
500, 600 pesos?
Namamahala na yung mga tao.
Parang namamahalan yung mga tao.
Oo,
So
oo.
parang nawala din siguro yung masa.
I
Kasi
guess so.
sabi nga nila, no?
Yeah.
So the masses will wait for, baka nga, kasi mas mura yung subscription sa Netflix, no? Kaysa,
I'm not
At
even
ano
saying
marami,
kind of subscription lang, but the reality of it all. Like, kunwari, when I released my Netflix special, like, sabi ng friends ko, we just saw it on YouTube.
sa YouTube
Oo,
na,
so may mga-
na free access.
Oh, and then, makikita mo parang nasa pirated
Oh.
movie site. So parang ako mapapirate.
Oh.
So unang-una, parang angas ito. Bigla
Badge of
mamaya-maya.
honor.
Teka lang.
Pag na-pirate.
Parang ganun eh. So, I think that's also one thing na
I know.
malaking problema is that now there's very accessible avenues of free
true.
watching, di ba?
That's true. Kaya nga, parang sa States, at marami tayo, parang it's a tie tayo sa
Yeah.
States, sa Pilipino, parang it has to be an event. Your film has to be
Tama.
an event. Like,
Tama.
kunyari, sabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi mo ma-imagine yung mga tipo ni Bossing, ni Velma Santos, si Sharon Cuneta na nagtitinda ng ticket.
Yeah.
Ikaw nga mismo, di ba?
Oh.
Sa
We did that
theater
for
act
Big Bird,
mo,
yeah,
parang
yeah.
ganun. Hindi mo ginagawa yung
No, I
nagsasalta
don't.
ng ticket sa takila.
Wala.
Pero
Never
ito,
gagawin yun.
like kunyari, Velma and Ding Dong and Marian would go to the theaters para magbenta ng advance ticket sales.
Oo.
Yun, parang ganun. So,
It's such a refreshing way to promote. Yun din yung natutunan ko with working with that film project kasi parang, wow, these people really sell. Talagang sell. Talagang,
that's true.
oo.
That's true. And being closer to the audience, yun yung parang dati sa Metro Manila Film Fest, mag-press con ka lang, magparada ka, si Bossing magbabakasyon na yun sa Pasko kasi hindi naman siya nag-expect ng
Tapos na.
awards, di ba?
Oo.
During the awards night. Pero siya ngayon, well, I guess people are compelled to, si Vice ganda, naman, walang bakasyon niya, nagsasarili siyang float sa probinsya.
Wow.
Kasi alam niya, kailangan niyang panatilihin yung box office appeal niya at
Oo.
ranking niya. So,
Grabe.
you kinda invest on like reaching to your audience. And
Yeah.
that's the way to, parang boto rin lang yan,
Yeah.
di ba?
Oo.
Less nakakamayan ka at nakikita yung mga tao, mas gusto nila yan.
Oh, ang plataforma mo is mag-enjoy ka sa pelikula ko. Parang
Yun nga.
ganun. It's such a, tawag doon, since the 50th,
Yeah.
you already said na parang there are superstars that are
Yeah.
departing from their usual roles and everything.
Yes.
Do you think that's a good norm nowadays na parang they care about material more?
Ako yun yata, yung story is king. No?
Yeah.
Parang yun yun. So I'll go through the list of entries now. No?
Sige.
So we have, yun nga, and the breadwinner is with Vice Ganda and Eugene Domingo. So powerhouse. Kaya silang dalawa with June Lana. Green Bones with Dennis Trillo and Ruru Madrid by
Wow.
Zig Dulay. The one who directed yung last year's Firefly. Yun, Kaibigan Mo, Strange Frequencies, Haunted Hospital, na Jane De Leon and Ricky Hill,
Yeah.
directed by Kerwin Go, shot in Thailand. So hindi naman sa horror film. At sabi mo, parang Blair Witch.
I think it's a found
Blair Witch
footage
Project,
horror
yes,
film. Di ako sure,
yes.
pero parang ganun.
Tapos Himala, isang musical, reimagined musical by Pepe
Oh,
Jocno.
Pepe Jocno's
Who
doing
did Dumburza last year, di ba?
Yeah,
And
oh.
with Aisel Santos and Between Escalante and the theater actors, no? So,
I didn't know it was a
And
film. Akala ko
it's-
parang...
it's a film now. So,
Oh.
ako nga yung pressure sa kanila. Himala was a big film with Nora Honor. And then, ginawang musical.
Yes.
And it's, the film was made by 3 national artists, Ricky Lee, Nora, and Ismael Bernal. Ngayon, parang, Pepe, ha?
I had Pepe over in my podcast and then he
Yeah.
told me na he was gonna direct that. So I'm like, wow, the pressure must be immense.
And no name stars.
No
Parang
name
ako,
stars,
theater actor, so
Ah.
talagang major yan. So, pero ako, I would like to ask the people to make it parang one of the first few things na panoorin. Na kasi
Oh.
ang takot mo, parang, uy, sana magstay yan
Saka
dyan.
musical, sobrang saya.
That's true.
Oh.
Then The Kingdom, which is co-produced by this network,
Okay.
Vic Soto and Piolo Pascual in a non-comedy role, no? Comedy movie.
Wow.
Tapos may pambata, The Future You by Francine and Seth Fedelin, directed by Chris Aquino, Crisanto Aquino, who did Right to Love the
Yeah.
last time, and then Uninvited by, well, ito nga, Aga Mulak, Velma Santos, and Nadine Lustre,
Yeah.
by Dan Villegas. Then Topak, Arjo Ataide, with Richard Somes as director.
Wow.
Hold Me Close, with Julia Barrieta and Carlo Aquino, with Jason Pollack Samana. And Espantajo, horror film, Chito Ronyo, master director,
Oo nga.
with Judy Ann Santos and Lorna Tolentino. Parang ako, okay, at least may abangan tayong maayos na pelikula.
Sa a good spread of
Na tipong lahat ng miyembro ng pamilya merong bagay,
Yeah.
tapos kung hindi nyo na sinuportan, kayo na yung may kulang. So, parang, uy naman.
I think
Uy
it has to
naman.
be spoken about din naman. Kailangan din
Oo.
pag-usapan yung support ng audience because at the end of the day,
Totoo.
kayo yung nagde-decide kung lalabas ba ako ngayon or or manonood lang ba ako ng
At
Netflix.
saka hindi pwedeng sabihin na hindi namin alam may pelikula kasi ito, we'll make sure, kasi MMDA yan, na the whole of
Yeah.
EDSA and the whole of the main streets,
Yeah.
yun, mga billboards and all, pati murals sa kalye, yan na
Tsaka
talaga.
wala nang choice. Pagpunta mo sa
Totoo,
Sirian,
totoo.
ito lang yung pinapalabas
Totoo.
di ba?
Kaya nga parang, kung nagtatanong tayo, walang magandang pelikulang Pilipino, tapos hindi pa rin natin sasapartan tayo na may problema.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yun na yung,
Oo. Yun
yun.
yung, I think, argument na medyo false, I think. Pag sinabi nilang wala namang magandang nilalabas,
Totoo.
parang hindi, meron. Imposibleng
Totoo.
wala.
Totoo.
Just go to Cinemalaya. Oo,
Yes.
parating meron dyan. Q Cinema din.
Yun
diba?
nga yung
Yeah.
point ko doon. Parang it has to be supported by government.
Yes.
Well, ito kasi may tax exemption from wini-waive yung administration ng tax.
Wow, okay.
So, kasi napupunta sa beneficiaries, yung World Fund, yung Film Development Council, etc. So, parang ako dapat din mag-step in yung gobyerno. Cinema is being supported by the government. Q Cinemas by government. So,
Yeah.
and Metro Manila Film Fest is by government. So, dapat talaga sa buwis natin,
Mm.
laki ng buwis na pinapasok niyo mga artista,
Mm.
yun
Marami.
parang dapat tulungan din yung industry.
It's ano din tawag doon, it's a good way din to promote your culture.
That's
Kasi
true. That's
we
true.
saw that, well, we saw that with America. Everybody knows what's
Yeah.
going on with America because we all watch the content they produce,
Yeah,
'di ba? Parang we
yeah.
feel like sila yung main character ng buong mundo eh. Parang sila yung standard of culture,
Pero
parang
it's
ganun
a tie. It's a tie din naman sa nangyayari.
Di ba? So,
Kasi
pero-
kahit sa kanya struggling
Yeah.
yung wala ring mga tao sa sinehan.
yes.
Hindi porke Disney ka papasukin
Oo,
ka.
MCU, struggling, di ba?
So,
Everything.
kailangan maging event film.
Yes,
Like,
yes.
kailangan may kakaibang promo.
Yeah.
May
Oo.
kailangan may ibang merchandise.
Oo.
Parang ganun yung mga tao.
I keep saying din kasi na parang bakit hindi binibigyan ng priority yung entertainment or whatever, but it's really a good ambassador to what
the
our
country.
culture is in our country.
Yes,
Everybody knows how eat
Yes.
samgyeopsal, eats kimchi,
That's
does
true.
this when they drink
That's
the thing
true.
because they watch the Korean
And
dramas, 'di ba? And
sabi-
those are supported by government kasi
Yun nga.
when they do their films, they have a Department of Culture na alam mo
Sinabi
yun.
ko sa'yo, bakit kayo sa Thailand nagsushoot ng pelikula? Kasi yun talaga, inaayos yung sistema dito.
Yeah,
na
yeah.
one-stop shop dapat yung sa atin na tipong isang permit na lang
Yes.
sa barangay,
Oo.
sa city,
Yeah.
at sa bansa. Di ba? Kasi dito, bawat isa, kailangan mong bigyan. Di ba?
Alam mo, recurring sentiment yan ng lahat ng industry. So when I
Totoo.
have people over here, it's always brought up na parang, okay, the red tape that we have to
In
go
the
through just to...
Philippines, yes. To think na we
yeah.
have the best locations, di ba?
Exactly,
Pero
sayang
yun
na.
napapahirap.
Oo.
Yun yung siguro napapahirap. At ang dami sanang magandang projection of the Philippines
Oo.
if they shoot like a lot of
Tsaka
films
weren't
here.
we the kind of like the cinema darling nung mga...
Dapat.
Diba?
Pero yun na nga.
We
That's
basically
true.
were Hollywood influenced for 50 years historically.
That's
So
true.
we're supposed to be more inclined to...
But look,
churn
nag-aangkat tayo ng Thai movies, ng
Oo.
Korean movies. Dapat tayo yung merong version
Totoo.
ng mga pelikula natin abroad. Kaya naman natin.
Recently, the stuff that's been put out, it's great. Like,
Yeah,
and I think
yeah.
people just need to
Yeah.
acknowledge or give it a chance. Alam mo yun?
Ako yun,
Oo.
plus animation, di ba? Ang maayos na rin animation. During that year that you were saying,
Yeah.
yung Living Sally.
Oh
di ba?
my! Saving Sally.
Di ba, was there in the film
Grabe
fest
yun.
also. So parang ako pwede.
Oo. That movie was made for like 10 years or something.
Yeah,
Mas matagal, mas alam
Pero
ko.
ang galing nila.
Galing
no?
nila,
Parang
yeah.
ang galing naman ng Pinoy. Kaya naman nating mag-storya ng
Kaya.
maayos. We just need support. Kasi hindi natin sigurado kung babalik yung puhunan or hindi.
That's what I was saying to a lot of people parate. It's very risky to make
That's
films.
true.
And yet,
People
people
still do
keep
it.
making it.
Yeah.
Diba? If I talk to like any businessman na,
Yeah.
if I consult business and everything, and then I tell them na parang, oh, baka trip mong gumawa ng pelikula, may concept ako, ganyan.
Totoo.
Sabi ko, I'll never do film.
Ah,
ganun yung
pero
business.
alam mo, parang people don't give up on films kasi parang yun yung ano ng kultura. Di ba?
Oh.
Di ba? Parang yung mga filmmakers parang, ay, meron akong story ang sasabihin.
Yeah.
And now, even nga, ang dami ring film festivals sa mga probinsya.
Yes,
Kaya
yes.
nakakatuwa lang na even Cinemalaya now have featured regional films.
Yep.
Na tipong sana dumami pa yung mga ganyan. Kasi yun na, ang TV kasi nawawala.
Oo.
Di ba? Parang, yung isang episode, mababawi mo sa mga susunod. Ang pelikula nagsistay.
Oo. Tsaka,
So, yun.
ano talaga, I would guess siguro, if you're a human being, 30% ng psyche mo is because of the films you
That's
consume,
true.
I would say.
That's
Oo.
true. Iba pa rin sa big screen. Although,
Iba.
yung consumption ngayon, iba na. No?
Yeah.
Pero, you guard your filmography. So,
Yes.
after Big Bird, ayusin mo yung filmography. It will define you as an artist.
That's
eh.
a very good, very
Yeah.
good, yung portfolio mo of films. recently I watched a
Diba?
Robert De Niro movie.
Yes.
Tapos naisip ko kasi parang comedy siya. It's The Intern with Anne Hathaway na parang
Yeah.
Nancy Myers na film.
Yeah.
So ako parang, this guy was in Casino. So
Yeah,
parang grabe.
yeah.
This guy was
Alam mo
raging-
yung pelikula, di ba?
So parang, alam mo yun, parang grabe yung range, ang ganda ng portfolio ng ano nila. Tapos doon ka rin lang mapaisip din na parang dito sa Pilipinas, we have so much.
Stories.
Yeah,
We have
stories.
so many stories
Yeah.
to say,
Oo.
to tell. Yun yung ano doon.
And I'm glad it's gonna be well represented ngayon sa
Totoo. And
MMF.
ngayon, since we're out of formula, parang yung mga storya na bago, yun yung sana mamayani. Parang ganun.
Was it hard to be part of the
I'm
deciding
I'm
team?
not part of the screening committee, but I'm
Oo.
with the executive committee. Yeah, 39 films. Parang ganun for scripts, and then 32, 31 films na 5 lang yung kukunin mo. Ang hirap kaya.
Oh, wow.
At saka yung ngayon, yung parang yun lang yung tinitingnan ng mga producers sa playdate. Then after that, saan niya papalabas?
Yeah.
Parang ang hirap.
Yeah. Tapos
So-
meron pang factor na maliit lang industriya, magkakaibigan kayo lahat.
Correct. Pero alam naman nila na tipong, trinay mo lang yan. Pero bakit ka naman kumuha ng ganitong material at ganitong artista kung gusto mong lumaban? But yun nga, dahil nakita namin na maraming pwede parang pelikulang i-feature,
Yeah.
buti na lang with our partners na mga taga-sinehan, we're doing the Summer Metro Manila Film Fest next year.
That's nice.
Meaning, kailangan talaga ng ganong event. When the cinemas will tell everyone na, okay, wala mo ng foreign film.
Yeah.
Puro lahat Pinoy films muna at yun,
Oh.
yun yung papanood.
We need
Yun
to push it
siguro.
din.
Yun
Kahit
kailangan
naman-
event. Kailangan event.
Kahit naman sa sports, like kunwari,
That's true.
parang
That's true.
ang NBA pinapalabas sa umaga, di ba?
That's
Dito. So
true.
ang PBA sa gabi. So
That's
hindi tayo
true.
nagkasabayan, alam mo yun.
Totoo,
Parang
totoo.
ganun.
At saka parang ang ganda lang na tumaas din yung expectations natin sa pelikula.
Yeah.
So parang yung sa TV, okay, although wala na tayo masyado, ikaw ba nanonood ka ng TV?
TV, hindi.
Yun, di ba?
Wala na akong
Parang-
TV. For 4 years na ata walang TV.
Ayun
Oo.
that's a reality now,
Yeah.
no? Pag nasa big screen kasi, or pag cinema, yung coverage iba.
Yeah.
Yung storya iba. So
Oo.
parang may expectation ka na, ay, mas pulido naman siguro. Mas pinag-isipan, mas may oras sila. Hindi yung isang episode, pwede mong bawiin sa pangalawang episode. Sa
Oo.
pelikula kasi parang it's a cultural repository. Kailangan magstay siya.
And I don't wanna go back and rock on na mahirap yung buhay sa Pilipinas. Pero
Totoo.
may times kasi minsan na you're working Monday to Friday, sometimes until Saturday. And you have 2 days at a week that you can do whatever you want. And then, that's why I'm always thankful when people watch my shows. Kasi parang, when they go to a
Yun na
Saturday
yung
show,
break nila.
parang, thank you. Kasi alam kong
Yun na yung break
dalawa lang
nila.
yung araw nyo, di ba? And then,
Ang tickets mo ba mas mahal sa pelikula?
mas mahal na ngayon. Parang may mga
Okay.
4 years ago, hindi.
So dapat level up din yung content, di ba? Talaga.
Mahaba naman yung show. Mga 2.5 hours naman yung
Or may
show.
pag-giveaway, di ba?
Well-
Parang yung mga ganun kung minsan,
Wala
di
na
ba?
eh. Meet and greet lang after.
Pero ngayon
Yeah.
sa 600, I think kasi meron na silang popcorn at ano, di ba?
Yeah,
May
yun nga.
popcorn.
So parang
Ano-
inisip mo yung kinoconsider nila na gastos. Tsaka yung
Pwede.
oras din that they have to go to a mall, park,
That's
kakain pa
true.
sila.
That's true.
And then, tawag doon, yung popcorn pa, yung
But
ano
theater,
pa.
I think is movies, films, it's a communal thing really. And yun
Yeah.
yung nami-miss natin pag nasa ano lang tayo sa Netflix.
Yes.
Yung tipong
Malaking
wala
bagay.
kang yung critique.
Yeah.
Yung tipong dati, pag artista, obliviously, pumunta manonood ng pelikula niya, no?
Oo.
Makikinig yun sa tawa, kung tumatawa ba sila sa tamang
Yeah.
point.
Oo.
Sa theater kasi kuhang-kuha mo yun.
Oo.
Pero kung sa Netflix mo panoorin, wala.
Wala.
Yun, pero it has to be a shared thing. Iba pa rin yung
Yeah.
kunyari, you're required to watch, ano ba yung huling na-require sa mga estudyante? General Luna siguro, or Gomburza. Then you talk about it at out ka pag di mo napanood.
Oo.
Sana ganun yung mag-
Yung ganong mentality is what we missed out on, I
That's
think,
true.
sa kahit nung nag-Big Bird
That's
kami.
true.
Because we were all saying na parang, it's a barkada film, bring your barkada,
Yeah,
ganyan. Mas masaya
yeah.
pag magkakasama kayo. And also, what people forget din, na nakakalimutan nating, and I think we take for granted,
Mhm.
is people don't, pag sinasabi nila, kaya ko naman panoorin sa Netflix yan.
That's true.
That's tama. Pero you're missing out on that energy exchange that you
That's
share
true.
with
That's
people.
true. That's
Pag
true.
nasa theater ka,
Mhm,
'di ba
mhm.
na, uy, nakakatawa din pala sa kanila.
Mhm,
So
mhm.
parang na-validate ka lalo, and then
Mm-mm.
there's just this atmosphere that you create kasi positive lahat ng mood nyo or
At saka yung larger
Oo.
than life. Yung parang,
Yeah.
nasa big screen yung buhay ko. Alam, iba yun eh.
Iba.
But you'll be surprised that even in theater now, apektado na rin ng film. I watched yung Sunset Boulevard. Yung tipong, it was made to a film also. Wala nang set. Ang nangyayari, blank set, pero finifilm nila, so yung itsura ng artista, nandun na. So, ultimo, luluha or pawis nila or ginig ng ano. So, parang it becomes now an interface of theater and film.
That's interesting.
So, bago na. Actually, pwedeng tipid din. Kasi wala nang set, di ba? So, Sunset Boulevard would be may second floor na set, naka-turban at major yung...
Wala na.
Pero ngayon, yun yata yung bagong cinema.
It
Bagong theater.
revolutionary LED wall.
That's true, yes.
Revolutionized everything. Like, you can see yung Taylor Swift na nag-dive siya ron sa tubig, tapos lumangoy siya na pagkat. That's all LED.
Pero marami dito na wala ng trabaho kasi dati sets, no? Parang nagko-construct and all, di ba? Parang kang gumawa ng bahay. Pero ngayon, LED na lahat. So,
LED lahat. There are LEDs that you can stand on. There are LEDs that you can move around. And ganun. Sobrang laking bagay
but in the
niya.
end, mahalaga yung technology, but in the end, it's really
The story
all
pa rin.
Story. Yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
a story.
And I think that's what we're strong with.
Ng Pilipino?
Oo.
Oo naman yan.
Tsaka hindi lang yun.
Oo
Ano pa
naman.
tayo, as audiences, we are very empathic audiences. Pag
Totoo
talagang
yun. Totoo
may
yan.
pinanood tayo, walang matibay-tibay
yun.
pag nakakaiyak, pag
Totoo
tanging
yun.
yaman. Alam mo yun, di ba? Iyak
Totoo
tayo
yun.
lahat, sabay-sabay.
Totoo
Ganun.
yun. Totoo yun. And parang yung kurot sa puso na hindi nawawala. Yun yung gano'n. Kahit kung tumatawa ka, nag-comedy ka, tapos may kurot sa puso. May tayo lang yun eh. And there are those stories. Kahit yung pinakamahirap na amount na pelikula, yung napakasimple. Remember My Minamahal of Direct Joey at that point, of Aga Mulak and no? May Minamahal. Yeah. Yung tipong it's just a simple family story. Ang mas mahirap gawin yun kaysa yung complicated na drama. So, yun. Parang yung simpleng pagpapakilig ng mga tao at pagpanakot ng mga tao. And then also dito rin lang nakikita yung folklore. Dito yung pananakot ng mga tao, yung Shake, Rattle, and Roll sa classic Metro Manila Film Fest. So, Manananggal and all. Dito rin lang natin mapapanood ulit. So,
marami. It's not just a celebration of stories din. No? The culture and yung kunwari, how do you say this? Parang what's important to us is being shown sa film. And it kind of validates, kunwari, we don't really send off our kids through college and then mag-dorm sila. So some people do the dorms. Pero alam mo, hindi tulad na states na ganong klase. We're uwi ka sa bahay, kumpara tayo yung type na pamilya and that dynamic involving that, di ba?
Totoo. Leading up to the 50th edition, actually, we had yung Cine 50, Cine Sigla sa 50, yung 50 pesos na sine, yung the old Jose Rizal na restored of Cesar Montano. Para just to remind them, we had those films when we were younger. So, parang tinao at ang top grosser namin nun were Jose Rizal and Shake, Rattle, and Roll. Hindi mo mapapanoorin
Original
ng mga, the original.
Wow,
parang, okay pala, papanoorin ng mga tao. So, parang sabihin, galing to sa tradisyon ng magagandang pelikula. At may pinanggalingang tradisyon. So, yun eh. Pero ito, maganda rin ngayong Film Fest kasi nawala yan nung after pandemic kasi ang hirap mag-shoot. We're having a student film fest, short film fest. So, yun sinasabi mo nga na, I think yung attention span ng mga tao ngayon lumiliit talaga. We had that before pero ang hirap mag-shoot ng mga estudyante. Ngayon, we're reviving it. So, every major feature film, yung katulad nung nabanggit kong 10 entries, kasamahan yan ng isang short film galing sa mga estudyante. May sarili silang awards night, etc. So, I think yung film language ngayon ng mga bata, ang salamat sa mga film schools, sa mga universities, malaking tulong talaga sa pagpapalabas ng mga storya ng short form.
Tsaka ang education ng mga current generation filmmakers ngayon, hindi lang sa school, no? Kasi because they now have access to a library of insights and everything on YouTube. You'd be very surprised how in-depth a lot of people, how directors can just sit down and just tell you the secret sauce.
And you have to tell them that you're open to do a short film. Kasi eventually, yan na yung naintindihan ng mga tao. Attention span talaga ng mga bata yun. So, in a 5-minute, you're able to tell a whole story. So, yun.
When is that happening?
Yung buong Film Fest will be on the 25th of December, Pasko talaga, hanggang January 7. So, traditionally ganon. Pero, nag-extend yan kasi wala namang susunod na mga significant mga film entries, film showings after. So Jan 7 yung end, December 25 yung start.
Okay,
ng
okay.
Metro Manila Film. Award night will be on the 27th, thinking that the award somehow will affect yung yung standing ng na totoo ha. Like
Yeah.
last year when Gomburza and Firefly won,
Yeah.
parang sinabi ng mga tao, okay, may commercial films pero oo nga,
Yeah.
ito may value. So,
Oo.
ang galing lang na who would have thought that Gomburza would like be one of the top grossers at the Metro
Totoo.
Manila Film Fest last year.
It was such...
Nagbago yung audience.
Dun nga, oo nga. I was gonna say, parang ang dating pa nga sa Gumbusa, parang guys, supportahan natin para di
Totoo.
mawala and then it's not in
Totoo.
trouble pa.
Totoo,
Problema.
totoo. At
Oo.
yung tipong, kaya pala ng Catholic Church yung hindi nagawa ng eleksyon,
Yeah.
nagawa ng film fest.
Oo
Yung
nga
tipong, pwede silang mag-support ng film na pwedeng sabihin sa simbahan na tipong, panoorin yung Gomburza and they'll discuss that.
Oo.
Yun, so, may...
Ang ganda ng atake ng movie na yun, no? Kasi it's not just history but more of like celebrating din yung relationship natin with the church and everything.
Nakakakonsensya kaya, di ba? Na hanggang ngayon, sarili, hindi bayan yung inaano. So
Yeah.
parang, pero for us to appreciate also what the heroes did
Yeah.
ahead of us. So, yun, parang it appeals to all ages and all
Oo.
members of the family. And I hope people get to watch it again.
It's such a time-honored tradition.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of people, pag nanood kayo, I think what's essential is parang don't forget kung ano yung fun na nakuha nyo
Totoo yun.
in a packed theater. Alam mo yun? Parang,
Totoo yun. Totoo yun.
and hopefully we continue on, di ba?
Totoo yan.
Sa towards the
And it's the films,
the other years, yeah.
the films reading us too. As
Yeah.
a nation and as Filipinos.
Totoo.
Para sinasabi, nung time talaga na Rene Requesas yung mga pelikula or Chris Aquino or Vice Ganda, anong sinasabi nila sa atin bilang bansa, di ba? Sinasabi, people turn to comedy when things are in turmoil, di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
Or people go to, kunyari, horror.
Yes.
Kasi yung takot natin na sa sitwasyon natin bilang bansa, nakikita natin, dinidisplace natin sa horror. Pero yung last year talaga, grabe yung tama. Para tayo nag-retreat sa Sider. Para kailangan natin ng pambansang iyak.
Ibang klase yung nangyari
After the
doon, no?
pandemic. Yeah.
Wala kang pressure na sinasabihan na tipong, Noel, kailangan nating talunin yung...
Hindi. Wala naman. Well, ako, kasi tumataas naman kasi yung presyo every year.
Yeah.
So parang expected na tataas sana
Yeah.
yung mga tao. Pero may mga times talaga na, nung pandemic, yung nag-hybrid nga merong time na Metro Manila Films tinuloy kahit online. Nasabi namin, paano yung online? Sige, kailangan pa rin matuloy. Tradisyon natin yan eh. Grabe yung piracy. Grabe talaga. Kala namin, pero kala namin yung mga tao will be so, parang cautious na rin. Kasi sabi, konsensya mo, parang ninanakaw mo. Isa na nga lang yung babayaran
Yeah.
ng ticket mo, ang pamilya mo na yun.
Oo.
Pero ganun pa din.
Meron talaga.
So nag-online kami, yung fangirl.
Yeah. Tama.
Ni Charlie Dizon
Yeah,
was
yeah,
on
yeah.
online Metro Manila Film Fest. And
Oh.
after that, nag-hit naman yung film fest na nag-surge ulit.
Oo.
Yung so, pero yun, bumawi siya last year talaga na tipong, bumalik na sa sinehan yung mga tao. Ngayon, bumalik na sa sinehan yung mga tao. We're giving you better content. I hope
Yeah.
people will watch it. Tingin mo, anong pelikula ngayon? Anong trip ng mga tao?
Oh man, that's
Well,
so
kasi
hard
last
to
year,
pinpoint.
we never thought Rewind will make it, di ba?
Oo nga eh. Nag-ano ba kayo niyan? Nag-survey ba kayo after? na
Actually,
parang
well,
may data analysis pang
ayun,
ginawa
yun yung
kung
sinabi. Parang we never had a recollection or parang a whole talking about the pandemic experience. And Rewind did it for us. Yung tipong gano'n, di ba? Even the process, yun, wala tayong processing as a nation doon sa pinagdaanan natin ng pandemic. And the pandemic taught us to go back to basics.
Yes.
And
yes.
it was family, it was God,
Oo nga.
it was the community.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
parang it was there in that film. Ngayon, hindi ko alam ano ba trip ng mga Pinoy. Election next year, di ba?
Hindi ko alam talaga.
So-
I think different people like different things. And I think there's an audience for each
That's true. That's
genre.
true.
So I think the lineup that we have now sa
Kaya nga.
MMFF is
I'm
great.
excited to see how Vice will do now. Yung tipong gano'n, at yung ginagawa niya ngayon, he tried all the odd jobs para maging breadwinner lang ng pamilya. And I
Oo.
think yun, doon makaka-identify yung mga kababayan
Oo,
natin,
oo.
di ba? Or gusto mo ng mga tao ngayon matakot ulit.
Yeah.
Pero
Oo.
nakakatakot na yung pinagdadaanan
Na-
natin.
Hindi mo nga alam talaga eh.
Pero yung
Kasi they would
pamilya
say na
natin.
gusto namin mag-escape, and then manonood ka ng something na will remind you na
Of your
ma-relate kasi of your
situation,
situation, and then cathartic din siya for you. So ako
Correct,
parang, ano
correct,
ba talaga?
correct.
What is it?
Pero yun nga yung thesis natin na when we're out of formula, it's the best way to create.
Yeah.
Kasi parang, okay, at least you can test the market. Parang,
A lot of these people na I think yung portfolio mo ng
Yes,
films
yeah,
this
this
year,
year.
and to think na marka siya ng 50th, you would think na
Oo.
parang 50th, let's go back to tradition kasi
ay, hindi naman.
kasi pag 50th, 'di ba, parating celebration of
tradition,
our
may
our
point ka dun.
portfolio, 'di ba, ganun. Pero ngayon it's like 50th, no, this is how we do it.
Oo eh.
Oo.
Parang, bagong paraan. Imagine theater made to a film. Parang, kakaiba.
That's crazy. I thought that was gonna be a live
Kakaiba
play.
yun.
Totoo.
Kakaino.
Oo.
Hindi talaga. Yun, iba rin. Na Vic Sota not doing comedy.
Yes.
Ang
Grabe.
risque ng production na sinuportahan ng TV5,
Oo.
ng Signal. So, kakaiba. Well, we'll see.
Right now, siguro before we end, right now, parang there seem to be like more avenue of parang people being critics or parang being tawag doon, being very,
I
very,
know that.
Diba?
I know that. I mean, yung mga tao are so critical of Goldwyn.
oh yeah, that's also one.
Oh,
One of the people na,
Na, diba?
na ano,
Ako
naman,
I welcome that.
yeah,
Ako,
talaga.
critics kasi will always be part of the creative process. Parang,
Mm.
or your maturity as
Yep.
as an artist
Tama.
should consider also what other people think of your work. And
Oh, yeah.
But still do what you think is right.
Yes,
Ako
yes,
yun.
yes.
Pero hindi ka rin oblivious sa mga sinasabi ng tao. So,
Oo.
you're still open kasi it's a community.
Yeah.
Yun sasabihin, wag mo papansinin yan. Hindi,
Oo.
pansinin mo pa rin yan.
I think a healthy amount is good.
Yes,
But
yes,
also, you need, as an artist, to know what's
Tama.
anong appropriate na
Tama.
criticism, tsaka
Tama.
hindi, di ba?
Parang namang
ganun.
advice ng mga tao, you take in the good and then what?
Oo.
Dead baka na sa iba. Pero hindi
Hindi, sometimes
ka
the good din,
magpaparule.
yung sobrang good criticism
Oo,
din,
rin.
sobra
Ayaw mo
din
rin
yun,
naman
di ba?
yun, di ba?
Oo.
Kakabahan ka rin naman na yung mga yung mga tawag na naman yan, praise release na
Yeah,
lang.
yeah,
So
oo.
ayaw rin naman natin yun. So healthy yung gano'n na tipong I'd hear the reviews of the critics. Kaya lang yun yung gusto kong i-organize. So,
Yeah.
yung mga tao, pag nagsuri naman, meron silang panuntunan na alam nila yung film history,
Yeah.
na pinanggaling, ano ba yung tradisyon ng ganyan.
Tama.
Para meron ka rin namang basis for a sound criticism.
Yes, yes.
Hindi lang yung impression.
Exactly.
Yun, so
Yun nga, I think important yung credibility.
Totoo.
One. So,
Pero yung isang tinitira nila, binabayaran mo na nga yung tapos titirahin ka pa. pero kakaiba rin na, no? Nabayaran ka na pero hindi ka compelled to say good things.
yeah.
Pero lakas din ng loob
Oo,
doon.
parang pa-review, bahala ka na, ganun, di ba?
Or pa-invite naman sa...
Literally bite the hand that
Pero-
feeds you, eh, no?
Yun yung nangyayari. Pero ako naman, I guess it's more decent to go to a cinema. Magbayad ka, at saka ka mag-criticize or
Yes.
magbigay ng review.
Oo, kasi
naman
walang bias,
yung-
di ba?
Oo.
Oo.
Oo. Kasi yung iba,
Plus, you'll be in a more, kumbaga parang, hindi ka naman
Respectable.
pwedeng magreklamo sa restaurant na nagpa-free taste sa'yo. Matigas tong hotdog na
Pero
binigay
totoo,
mo sa akin.
tama yun.
Di
tama
ba?
yun,
Eh, kung
no?
binayaran mo yun, okay lang. Di ba? Hindi,
Oo.
maalat to. Binayaran mo. So, meron kang avenue of, alam mo yun, criticism. Yun lang yung akin. Ako kasi, I think also...
Ang gandang point. Kasi guilty yung marami.
Oo.
Yung tipo, at yung sinasabi, ang dami. Lahat ng mga tao naging kritiko. Ako gusto ko na yun.
Yeah. Kaysa walang manood.
Kaysa yung
Yeah.
naglalabas ka
pakialam.
ng pelikula, tapos wala lang.
Ang malaking bagay din yan. Yeah.
Di ba pag nanood ka na ngayon, yung tipong yung mga tao unahang umalis ng sinihan, tapos
Yeah.
hindi ka na i-greet.
I think ang only plead ko lang sa mga tao is don't rely too much on. Kasi a lot of people, they just see the number eh.
That's
Kunwari, pag
true.
nakita nila, ano ba to, -1 out of 5 to.
Totoo,
Hindi ko pa
totoo,
panoorin to.
totoo.
I've enjoyed so many things na Rotten
That's true.
Tomatoes, rotten. Ganun
That's
talaga.
true,
And I'm like,
that's
oh,
true,
this is a really good
that's
film,
true.
di ba? And then makita mo yung review, parang ganun. So, I think dapat talaga, and this is my plead lang to people consuming what other artists create, no? That when you read reviews, it's not the end all and be all,
That's
di
true.
ba? Alam mo yun, hindi siya
Totoo,
dapat ganun.
totoo. Well, corollary to it, I I'm editing a pelikula journal
Oh, that's
by
great.
Sa Telma Press by yun na si Sir Rio Alma,
Ah.
national artist, and Sir Crip Yuson. It's coming out this December. So,
Wow.
Sir Nick Chongson had yun nga, bago kayo mag-review, ito dapat.
Oo.
Kasi, oo rin naman, i-up din naman natin yung
Oo nga, tama
discourse.
naman,
Hindi
tama.
Pero I've
Up the
nothing
discourse.
against people na yung impressions nila, ang pangit ng bida, ganun, wag nyo panoorin. Pero kasi pwedeng ganun.
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
Pero I've nothing against them kasi space mo naman yan sa Facebook or sa
Yeah,
social
yeah,
media
yeah,
mo.
yeah.
Pero sana naman, when you give comments, yung pwedeng mabago or pwedeng maka-apekto ng mas maganda dun sa gagawa pa ng ganung klaseng mga pelikula.
Yeah,
Yun
yeah.
siguro. Yun.
Well, hopefully, people enjoy Metro Manila Film Festival.
Yes,
Every
yes,
year,
yes.
on Christmas, nagisimula. So, lahat ng mga binigay sa inyo ng mga ninong nyo, gastusin nyo. Thank you so much, Sir Noel.
Maraming salamat. Huwag kita pa tayo.
And that is the Medyo Serious Talk Show. You can catch us every Tuesday on One News at 9:30. At kung wala kang TV, please, pumunta lang kayo sa YouTube. Type nyo lang. Huwag nyo na-hintayin yung link. Type nyo lang. Diyos ko. Just a few keystrokes, di ba? And then, makita nyo and you get to enjoy our conversation. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Galing. Salamat.